Howdy, it's Harvey Half Price, here to help you enhance your space without the extra cost. Before you install your new vertical blinds, you'll need these 4 things. Ready? Let's go. If you're fitting within the recess, decide where to position the blind and mark your drill hole points. Then, simply take the bracket and screw it to the top edge of the recess. You'll have at least 2 brackets, each of which should be positioned about 1/4 of the way along the blind. You'll also have a ready-to-install track, which simply clips into the brackets. Secure it by tightening each of the front grub screws. Finally, unroll the vertical slats and clip each one into the matching top hanger. There is 1 hanger for every slat. Take care to hang the slats when they are in a fully open position to avoid track jams. To do this, the ribbed side should be at the back of the track. If you're fitting your blind to the face of the wall, you'll have at least 2 L-shaped brackets. Simply decide where the blind should sit, mark the drill holes, fix the bracket, click in the track, and connect all the slats with the matching hangers. To install the child-safe operating wand, simply follow the detailed instructions provided with your blinds. That's all there is to it. If you have any further questions, give us a call or send us a message anytime. Toodles!